It's been 48 hours and there's the gold again, ready to go into those bags right there. I'll be getting to picking some winners here in just a few minutes, but in typical Goldpan and Suntan fashion, we've got us a little plot twist here. I'm not going to just send out this gold, but I'm going to throw a t-shirt in the mix, and this hat here that I have. I've been trying to get some hats and get them procured for the best possible price. These aren't embroidered or anything like that just yet. Just trying to find a design and a company and all of that good stuff. This is a t-shirt, guys. I only have this in one size, but if you happen to not be an extra large, don't sweat it. I'll get a different size for you. I've got all kinds of different colors of shirts and stickers and you name it. I got football team colors, so we can go back and forth on email if need be to get whatever kind of t-shirt you want. Gonna do a shout out to all of these guys right here. They've helped me along the way. They sent me their stickers. I've sent them mine. Guys, any one of these people will, if you reach out to them, they'll send you some stickers if you want some. But I owe all these guys just a debt of gratitude for everything they've done to help me along the way. So I want to just say a special thank you to all of them. But okay, so let me get on over. Let me get to picking 6 names. And then after we do that, I'll give further instructions on how to redeem your prize if your name was picked. All right, guys, video's loaded. Let me come on down here. We'll get this started. Jolene O'Quinn, and she is not a valid comment. She doesn't have a pen and all this good stuff. Looks like she's just sending a congratulations. Let me pick another one. Here we go. Vincent Giannini. Vincent Giannini. Okay, got that written down. Pick another winner. Who do we got? Bill Harder. Bill Harder. You know what? That's another one, guys. I'm going to have to check this comment. Let's pick another one. Here we go. Vendetta. He's got everything in his comment. He's all good and valid. Pick another one. It's going to be for number 4. Jolene O'Quinn. Holy moly, she's been picked twice, but she's just doing a congratulations. Pick another one. Boy, oh boy. Home Zoo in the house. Alrighty, let's pick a 5th name. Kenny Robbins, 7136. Let's pick another name here. Somewhere in Ohio. All right, guys, so normal Tuesdays, I got a video coming out tomorrow. It's a little bit different kind of video. Tried to make it as short as I could, but going through that backpack, man, there's a whole lot of items in there. But so, hey, guys, I went back, checked Bill Harder's comment. He was just throwing me out a congratulations. So here we go again. One more name. Powder Keg Pauly. And he's got a valid comment. So let me get back over to my sticker table. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So there's the winners. So for those of you who've been around, you guys already know the deal. First person to email me gets first prize. Second person to email me gets second prize. Third person to email me gets a third prize. Fourth, fifth, and sixth, so on and so forth. So get ready, get your pen out. You got to be the quickest gunslinging emailer around. Goldpan Suntan at gmail.com. That's Goldpan Suntan at gmail.com, all one word. I'll get all of these prizes sent out just as soon as possible. I want to thank all you guys for coming along for the ride. You guys take care out there, and then we'll see you again at 2K.